Lisa, tell us a little bit about Haley's story.
Well, Haley came to us, originally the owners that had her only had her for a few months. They fostered her, they rescued her from somewhere, I'm not sure exactly where. But they just basically threw her in the backyard, and when they discovered she was missing, they went looking for her and found her in a vacant lot laying in a fire ant hill. And so her whole hind end was just covered in ant bites, and they were swollen and infected. But noticed that she couldn't walk either, so they took her to Town Lake Animal Shelter, and they wanted her euthanized, and Town Lake refused to euthanize her. So they sent her to us. And when they came to us and we x-rayed her and discovered she had a broken back, and also that she was pregnant, we offered to do the surgery. They couldn't afford the surgery. So they went ahead and released ownership over to us, to ATA. And we went ahead and did the surgery, but it was less than 50% chance of her ever walking again. And within a week after surgery, she was already had muscle control in her hind legs. And then about a week and a half to 2 weeks, she was walking.
That's wonderful. Tell us about her personality. Like, were you able to see a personality at first, or was she just in pain? And
when she first came to us, nobody could handle her. She was biting. She was very painful. So, I mean, to be able to handle her, you had to either use a towel or wear gloves. And then as soon as she started to feel better, she started to become very lovable, very playful. She plays with the other dogs in the house. She's just so awesome. She's just so sweet.
And the doctor is saying very good things about her prognosis, right?
Yes, her back is now fusing in the spine. He did have to put a bone plate in her spine to be able to correct the fracture. So maybe one of these days we'll be able to move that bone plate. But for right now, it's healing just fine, and she's getting along great. She's starting to run a little bit, and she can kind of go up low stairs, but she's not allowed to jump up on anything or jump down from anything, so she still has a little bit of restriction, but she can walk around.
Talk a little bit just about what the impact of Animal Trustees of Austin has had in this animal's life, and what we've done for her, and what wouldn't have been able to be done.
Well, we gave her life. That's for sure. Otherwise, she would have been euthanized when she could have had a really good, awesome life. With the not sure whether she would walk again. I was willing to, even if she wouldn't walk again. I don't think euthanasia was a choice in her situation. As far as I was concerned, or even ATA was concerned, I would put her in a wheelchair and she'd still live a happy life.
Great.
Isn't that right?